Okay, today I'm going to show you how to make two kinds of wreaths. One is a small one for your wall, and the other one is a bigger one that you can put on your door any time of the year, or even Easter. It's totally up to you. I have one started already. It's just a plain pack of flowers. You can buy in any craft store. If you can't get those, you go to any craft store. You can buy the bushels of fake flowers. You can get the really small ones like these, and you just get a pair of wire snips and cut off the stems and just keep the tops. It works all the same, and all you do, see, is like this. It's with the thing cut off. I don't know if you can see it. And you just add glue around it and you glue it on. Now the back is just one of those styrofoam shapes you can buy in any craft store. I just chose a heart. You can use any shape you want, but I like the heart one. And you just keep gluing, but make sure you cover up all the gaps in between, so make sure the flowers overlap so that you can't see any of the pink underneath. Now I'll try to be quick about this, get this through, because I don't want to keep on too long. And I leave a little tiny space down at the bottom where you can put a ribbon bow, and I'll show you that as soon as I get this finished. And make sure you go around the outer edges, which is what I'm doing. Oops. And you just press down as you're going. It's just some are a little bit difficult, but you gotta have the patience to fix it. Now I've made quite a few of these for friends. They all loved them. And they really are cute little things to put on your wall. Or anywhere at all. It's totally up to you. You can put them at a cabin, a home, a bedroom. Now, you can use any color you want. I'm just using yellow because I like really bright light colors. Oops. Now it's a little bit bent right now, but that's just because of the styrofoam, but you can straighten it out yourselves after. And last one. Okay, now notice how I have a little tiny piece out where you can put the bow, and you can use any kind of ribbon you want, but this is what I'm using. I found some butterfly ribbon at the craft store and I like it. I find it cute, so I'm going to put this on the bottom of mine. Now, just snip off a piece. Oops. Oh, my camera. Okay. Now it's a little bit bent where it was folded over the cardboard, but I can always straighten it out after. Okay. Or you can do like this, which would be really easy. Just tie it over a finger if you got to. Do it like that, it'll save you the trouble. Turn it back inside out. Or what I'll do is I'll tighten this. What I'll do, I'll make a knot. There. Easier. It'd be easier for gluing too. Now you can use any other kind of ribbon. This one here is a little bit stiff, but it'll still work. Okay. Tighten it so it don't come undone. And straighten this one out a little bit. There you go. Okay. Now, snip some lint off. And you get your glue gun. Whoops. And your glue spot there. To glue it down too. Okay. Do some shuffling to have the butterflies facing outwards. Oops. There. This is being really uncooperative. It's a stiff ribbon. There we go. Okay, and glue strings. Now, oops. Cut lint off this a little bit. Okay. And do the same for this end. There you go. That's all finished with the ribbon. Now, you can buy puffier ribbon and it covers up everything. You can't see any pink at all. But this is just an example of what you can do. Later on I might just change this ribbon and put like a wider ribbon so that it covers up all the pink. You don't see any. It's just that this ribbon is a little bit stiff, it's uncooperative. But anyway, you can stick a pin through here and stick it into your wall. But what I bought too, mine peels away and there's a sticker on the back, so you can stick it on anything. You don't have to stick it on a wall with a sticker, but if you're going to put it on the wall, I would say use a pin. Don't use the sticker because you peel the paint right off your walls. Now, I'm going to show you a bigger one for a house, for your door. Now, I bought a wicker heart. You can buy them any dollar store. They're only like $3 or $4. They come with the ribbon already attached. I've already glued on flowers that I wanted on it. And I've mixed the colors. I don't have it all the same color. And I've left like 1 or 2 spots open where I can show you how to glue it in. Now, just go flower. Whoops. And you just glue it in against the wicker lines, and there you go. And it's all filled in. You do that, all the crisscross, wherever you can find like a little gap, you stick a piece of the stock through, and you glue the stock onto the wood pieces, wherever you can find like a little tiny gap like that. And that's how you make your wreath. And you just dangle it from your door. Now the back, you can see where all the green stems are too. But if you really want to, you can put a piece of material back here, or felt, or whatever. It's totally up to you, but you don't really need to. Because once it's against your door, you're not going to see it. All you're going to see is just the front. And this is what I put on my door. In the summer and even Easter, because it can pass for Easter because it's pink, yellow, white Easter colors. Now, my next episode, I'm going to show you how to make an Easter wreath for your door, and I'll see if I can get a Valentine's craft for you too.